Hello, welcome back. This is Ida again with another review, and today is a product that is launching and it's called Rapid Mobile Commissions. We are all launching this product, and I think it's a pretty good idea because who doesn't want to earn commissions while using your phone? So we are always on the phone, and we definitely need this to kind of monetize this since we are always on the phone, right? So if we can use just the phone to earn commissions, don't you want to do that? So definitely it is promising to have about 131 online every day. So if imagine if you're able kind of to get this product and be able to follow what they're going to be training and be able to earn 131 online commissions per day, who doesn't want to do that? So I'll definitely encourage you to read more about it and see if it is something that you want to do. And as always, I welcome you to my channel. And as you know, I have different videos that I'm going to be uploading regarding tutorials and different products that are launching that will help you kind of to earn money online. So that's my main thing, finding new products that you can earn money online. And so definitely this is a good product that all the products that they have launched, they're pretty good. So I would recommend for you to take a look and see. And as always, I have my special bonuses that you're going to be receiving when you decide to get this product. When you click this link, when you click the link below, you're going to be able to access to this bonus page. And when you click in any of the links here, it will take you to the sales page where you can purchase the product of Rapid Mobile Commissions. So before I show you my bonuses, stay tuned so I can show you the bonuses later on. But I want to show you inside the members area so you can see if it is a product that you think it will be good for you. So here is the members area. It starts with a congratulations video that you can watch. It has a 43 in 7 days. It explains you how you can win that. And then it gives you an intro about that. And then it starts with an intro by Bill. Here is Bill. And he has done a couple of products that he has launched, and he has seen very good commissions. So he gives you a small introduction about that. He gives you an overview of what you're going to be expecting with this product. And also it tells you about the tools that you are required that you're going to be using. This is Sarab, and he's going to be using this and explain you about what you need, about what tools you need for this product. And then it gives you also finding the offers. It will teach you how to find the offers for this. So we'll be able to click and tell you exactly how to find it. This is Seed, so he will explain you about how to find that. And then getting approval and the review access. So you're going to be able to see how you can get approval with this product and be able to kind of getting commissions out of that. Then making the review product, it will tell you how you can make the review product and show that. Creating the thumbnail, how you can create the thumbnail so you can kind of have the uploaded in the video, or have that for them to kind of people to click your video, right? And then creating your own custom bonuses. It gives you instructions about how you can create that so you can monetize that. And then it tells you how to upload the YouTube video. So it gives you an intro how to do that. And then the conclusion, how they did it and how they can earn money by doing that. And then the case study will tell you exactly how they did it, and it will give you proof of that it actually works. They have extra bonuses here that make a $500 per YouTube video. So it will give you this, how you can make $500 each from simple YouTube videos and how you can do it. So it will give you a sample of that. So I think it's a pretty good. It has a lot of information. You definitely need this. It has a pro version that you're going to be able to have and monetize that. It has the DFY money makers, the traffic mystery. It has a lot of information here that they will be able to help you to grow your business. Here is my bonus page. You're going to be able to access this, and I'll show you my bonuses in a little bit. It is a Rapid Mobile Commissions. It's a brand new method we use to take tiny amounts of time and turn into a big daily profit. The top markers use the trick to multiply their profits while working much less time. And then you've never seen anything like Rapid Mobile Commissions before, so they will give you instructions about that. And then I'm going to tell you the pricing of this later on. But let me show you the bonuses you're going to be receiving when you decide to get this product. This is the Goodwill. It is by Journal Armstrong. You're going to be receiving these when you decide to get the Rapid Mobile Commissions. It's a pretty good product. Let me show you if you access this, you're going to take you to the product, which is you're going to log in and be able to access for the free product. Then the second bonus is a ClickBank. It will teach you how you can earn money with ClickBank. And then it gives you bonus number 3, how to use the Instagram influencers to monetize and be able to kind of be visible and be able to earn more traffic. And then bonus number 4, it gives you Nova. This one is only for the first 12 hours of the product launch. So you're going to be able to access this. After those 12 hours, it's going to be expired. So I would recommend, if you think it's a good product, you should click the link below and access the product and be able to earn all these bonuses on top of the main product. And then, as always, the bonus number 5 is a special bonus that you're going to be receiving for all vendor bonuses. So I think it's a pretty good product. Let me show you the pricing for that. The initial price starts at $12.95. It is the front end. You will access the powerful rapid mobile commission software and the training modules. And then option number 1, you're going to get the pro version at $27. You're going to get advanced training, proven converting campaigns, and even more hacks to convert into 10 times higher. And then upsell number 2, this is the DFI money makers at $37, which it was this one that I was showing you is this one. Then the next upsell, it is the traffic mastery, $67. This is basically all in one solution. So Dan will teach you how to use the social media platforms to drive as much traffic as you want. So it's a pretty good class. And then it will give you upsell number 4, unlimited traffic at $97. And this one will give you everything's pulled into pixels and their cells, and have digital email lists and all of that. You're going to be able to use that. And then upsell number 5 is a reseller rights at $97. So everything you'll get here when you're in the actual rapid mobile commissions, you will be clicking to upgrade to the next level, and you will be able to access those products. Some key benefits to remember is a brand new money making system. It's a 100% proven method and UV friendly. Step by step, no guesswork, and no email list, and no computer needed. So everything you need is in your pocket. So definitely, nowadays we're using our phone all the time. So if you're able to monetize and earn money by using the phone, don't you want to do that? So definitely I recommend this product. So if you want to get this product, if you do get it through my link, you're going to be able to access these bonuses on top of the product. So I'll advise you to research more and see the sales page. Whenever you click, that will take you here, and you can kind of review it on your own time. Whenever you have time, just review. There's Philip Johansson is here, and he explains about the product. So yeah, if you have time, take a look and see if it is something that that seems interesting. Go ahead and click the link below, and it will take you here. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and as always, I recommend for you to subscribe to my channel. Any comments, any likes are always welcome. So I will see you in the next video, and please remember to subscribe so you can get notifications of the new videos that I'm going to be uploading or the tutorials I'm going to be making. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next video. Thanks.